everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha. I am here today with my June premium BoxyCharm unboxing. So we'll jump into that in just a minute. For all of you who are coming back, welcome. If you're new to the channel, again, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do makeup unboxings, I do try-ons, anything related to makeup I am super excited about and I kind of put on this channel. So if that sounds like something interesting to you, please consider subscribing down below. And without any more talk, we're going to jump right into the premium unboxing. I literally just got it today and I was super excited by it that I wanted to go ahead and film a video right away. So just like the base box unboxing, the theme is Oasis. And I'm actually really excited about the BoxyCharms this month. They did good. So let's go ahead and jump into the first thing that's in the box. It is a Living Proof Restore Instant Protection. So it's weightless heat and UV protection. I do really like Living Proof products, and so let's read real quick. It says a weightless spray that adds shine while protecting against heat and UV damage. So actually with this, it is something that you're going to do while hair is still wet to help protect hair from damage, heat, etc., etc. So definitely we'll try this out. I'm super excited about this. Okay, so next thing I got is the Avocado Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. And I don't have a ton of Glow Recipe products. Based on reviews, oh my goodness gracious. It's like Fort Knox to get in some of these products sometimes. There we go. Okay. I think I'd be smart enough to have something next to me, but I'm not. I love their packaging. Their packaging is always so beautiful and just absolutely gorgeous. So this is the Retinol Sleeping Mask. You're going to put it on at night. Let's look at the... Ooh, I lost the lid. It doesn't smell like anything. It looks like someone put a finger right in there already. I don't know why. I'm sure that's just how it got poured into the jar, but that's so weird. So it is... Oh, wow. It's very, very thick. I was thinking that it would be a little thinner. I was going to say looser, but I was like, that's not right at all. It is green. Wow, it's very, very thick. It smells like grapes to me. It smells exactly like wine grapes. So the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado, exfoliating PHA, and the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. This super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveal smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Use as a wash-off flash facial or overnight mask for deep recovery. So it sounds like this is something that you're going to have to wash off in the morning if you keep it on overnight. It is $49. And then I didn't say that Living Proof Instant Restore Protectant is $28. $200. Holy moly. Out of my mind. So super excited about this. I will definitely try this. I do have pretty dry skin. So I'm excited to see how that works. Anything that's a hydrating thing is good for me. Next thing that I got is the Grace and Stella Face Mask. Holy moly, this is the biggest package I have ever gotten for a face mask. So let's open this up. It is some serious packaging. Oh my goodness gracious. Huh. It's like a full-on huge sheet mask. So you can see right there, it looks like it is that hydrogel type of a face mask, and there is a lot of liquid in there. I don't know if you can see the bubbles going up and down. That's some liquid. Liquid. There are, how many face masks? 6. Only 6 in this big packaging. That's pretty serious. So the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Face Masks. It says, as we get older, our body's natural collagen breaks down and depletes from accumulated exposure to environmental pollution, free radicals, and UV rays, which cause our skin to lose its structure and strength. Grace and Stella's anti-wrinkle and energizing face mask is designed to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by boosting collagen production and rejuvenating skin. It's worth $25. No need to rinse after you use it. So apply for 15 to 20 minutes, take it off, rub in the product just like a normal face mask, and you don't have to wash it off. So definitely interested to try this. 2 skincare products so far. Next thing that I got is a $1 billion brow brush. So this is a pretty dense brush on this side. It is fairly soft, and then you have a very similar brush on the other side, just in miniature size. This would probably be good for your concealer if that's something that you do with a brush. And then this is probably a great thing for contour products or for blush, something like that. It's very densely packed. So this is, so contour on one side, the tapered brush for blending to enhance smaller features on the face. So certainly you could do it to contour your nose as well. $30 is what this is worth. The next thing that I got, which I am super excited about, I have wanted a NARS liquid lip for a long time. But because my lips are so dry, I typically don't buy expensive liquid lips just because my lips are so dry they typically can't tolerate it. Love the packaging, very sleek. You can see the color through there. And so this is in the color Call Me. Haha, Call Me. It's a Power Matte Lip Pigment. It's supposed to be ultra flexible, long lasting wear. And it is $26. So let's take a swatch of that real quick. I'm going to put it on the side here where I didn't put that glow recipe. Ooh, that's kind of a corally pink color. Very cool. Very cool for, oh wow. Don't dump it over because the product almost just poured all out. No, it did. It did. See? Don't dump it. That's not smart. Super excited by this. I'm definitely excited to try it and see how it wears on my lips. I like the color. It's definitely a good spring color, although we're moving into summer. It's not a bad summer color either. Probably not a color I typically veer towards, but certainly out of your comfort zone. That's what these boxes are for. So there's NARS lip product, and as I said, $26. And then the last thing that I got, so I got quite a few things in the premium box this time, is a Tartist Pro Remix. Love how colorful this packaging is. And then this is kind of like a textured things. Yeah, I know that's terrible English, but it's like one of those old school where you used to change it and it would have different shapes and different whatever, and so you can see all the spackle on there. So very cool. It's a little bit, it is definitely hard, nice hard plastic, very beautiful packaging, but it is a little harder to get open. It also doesn't open all the way flat. It only opens part of the way. There is a pretty large mirror here, and I'm going to try not to blind you guys. This is the color story right here. So quite a few shimmers and metallics. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a couple of these. This green, it's called Color Explosion. We'll swatch that. I'm going to put it right here. Oh wow, look at that. That's beautiful. And then most of these are shimmers. I think there's only a couple of mattes. Let's swatch one of the mattes just so I can see what it looks like here. Oh, that's beautiful. So like I said, beautiful colors. That matte was super smooth. And let's swatch one more. I'm going to swatch this purple right here. Holy moly. Let's see what that looks like. Not as vibrant as the other colors, but still very, very pretty. So that'll be interesting. Very colorful. Super excited about that. So let's talk that Tartist Pro Remix Amazon Clay Palette. is $49. So quite a few products. I do have to say that, so I loved this. I love the NARS lipstick right here, but those are the only two makeup products in here. I definitely would prefer a couple of more makeup products just because I like makeup. I get the boxes for makeup, but some really nice skincare, so not mad about it, definitely not mad, and then the hair care there. So let's add up real quick what the box is worth. So box total $207. So they say that this is on average at least $170 or $175 box. So well over that value. Some super exciting things to try out for sure. So I wanted to get this out right away. Drop me a comment, what did you all get in your BoxyCharm? I tried really hard not to look at any of the spoilers this month for the premium box, so I'm not sure what everyone's getting. Let me know what you got, what you're excited to try. And I will do a try-on for the base box and the premium box on Friday. So we'll try some of these things out. In between, I'll try the sleeping mask and see what I think about the hair product, and this way I can kind of update you guys in the video. So thank you again so much for joining me. I loved having you here with me today. Please take care of yourselves, be safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.